I'm rolling.
So we're going to England. So we're in the Singapore lounge and there's free food and free drink, and that's a little bit dangerous when someone's from Chertsey and you invite them in for free food and free drink.
How's that? Could be a bit bumpy, and I hope I don't get lost. It's been raining all day. Welcome to England. It's dog pooing on the lawn. Pick it up, lady. So I'm a shithouse vlogger. I didn't get the phone out in the shop. I was a bit too scared, but I did manage to pick up all the essential food groups: wine, chocolate, curry, and naan bread. That's all you need. That's really all you need.
It's been 35 degrees for like ever here, and so today we thought we'd have a family barbecue, and it's raining.
It's going to be a lovely afternoon. Barbecue, Neil's cooking it at the moment.
That's the best I can do at the moment. I've
That's
got a
very
mouthful.
British.
Face first into the ground. These two are grown up. So I did the craziest dance I could think of.
We're going to be walking up to the Sisbury Ring today, and it's like 6 o'clock in the morning and it's really light. We're going to try and find the windmill. Windmill, windmill, windmill. It's a bit posh around here and you can only go 30 miles an hour. Please clean up after your dog. My dog never cleans up. That's such a dad joke. It's silly now. We're walking down the street and everyone we meet has a dog. Oh. We're in Wales! Wales! David reckons it's a horse. There it is.
And Rachel and Charlotte agree with me. They said it was a horse.
Well, maybe a sheep, because it hasn't got legs. Sheep tend to have legs, Sarah. One on each corner. It's a good job I teach biology. The duck, thank you, Jim. Oh, yes. I don't know, I think it looks like a Nessie. For a curry in Wales. We're going for a curry in Wales. Curry country. got a bit of a sinus infection, which is going to be really great for pronouncing some of the Welsh names here. Dimbal Dal Rilia Ethio by Glanhuich Gwy Bodiath Trafni Dieth. What does that even mean?
Public transport information?
We're walking up to the Upper Hugh Reservoir.
Sorry, you just blocked David.
We're walking. Oh! We're walking up to the Upper Hugh Reservoir, and that's Hugh spelled G-W, and that's Hugh spelled G-C-L-L-Y-X. Oh no, not X. C-C-L-L-C-G.
Doing?
I deliver a parcel in this place. On this road are two houses, and people still live on the end of the world.